टेक्निकल अभिमन्यु चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नए वीडियो के लिए घंटा बटन दबाइए, वो भी बिल्कुल फ्री। So guys, as you saw my thumbnail, that what happens when you join AVC for Java. Actually this AVC stands for Aradhya Brilliance Center for Technology Training. You can see here there are 3 training center in Bangalore. One is Vijayanagar and another is BTM layout and another is Old Airport. All these 3 are situated in Bangalore and all their phone number are written here, and you can see you can also log in on www.abcfortechnologytraining.com. Application is also available for Android and Play Store. So I will tell you what happens when you join or when you go to ABC training center. First, as you go to the ABC center, then they will ask you to attend demo class, and when you attend the demo class, believe me, it is very good. It is fabulous. They explain each and everything very deeply. There are a lot number of students, around 150 to 200 people in one classroom, and the teacher or lecturers, whatever there is, they will explain through you one mic, and they are very much professional in teaching. They are very build a skill. They will tell you to attend our 10 days free unified course to feel the difference. When you will go to the receptionist after demo class, they will give you one template of this book of containing 5 to 10 pages, and in this she will explain you about some features of AVC, and they will also give one postcard of this one, it containing some pages. Here I will show these pages also to you and later, so let me keep this. So in this they will explain you about that why to join Aradhya Brilliance Center for Technology and Training, and in this prospectus a lot of the things are given, like infrastructure and list of placement drive conducted by AVC in different year batch, like this is 2015, and these companies hires a student from the AVC. This company is from 2016 batch, and they will explain you about this one. This is the main important. So unified course contains these things: Java, Advanced Java, J2EE, Selenium, manual testing, C aptitude, web technology, SQL, C programming, mathematical aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, and soft skill. These all things will be done in total of in 100 days. Like classes will be held on Monday to Saturday. Test and assessment also happens on Saturday. So these are the contents in the course, like core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. These things all I have told earlier. These things contains in this course. So you can attend 10 days demo class in these different centers. You can see here, and now I will show you the different postcard, and these 2 things they will give you while you attend on the first class that is demo class. So they will give you this number of books. So let me see this, what are these. So they will show you this is the certificate of ABC, and it is certified from ISO 29990:2010, and they will tell you that it is registered at NASSCOM, and it is also a part of NASSCOM. So let me keep it side, and this is, and they will also tell it is also certified from ISO 9001:208. So let it be here, and they will show this NASSCOM. This is to certify that ABC for Java is member of NASSCOM. I have told you earlier. And after completing your course, that is Java, they will provide this one certificate, that this is certified that Mr. blah blah has successfully completed the course in Java courses, and date and authorized signature for Java, these things. And these are some details. Placement list of 2015, like 337 companies have been visited in the year for the batch 2015, and likewise for the 2016 batch also 373 companies have been visited, and for the batch 2070 up to the March, up to 13 September, 94 company has been visited. Or you can see all the criteria of these companies for the students. Here it is given. So these packets contains this list. You can show why I am making this video, because so many students search about details of this company, but he couldn't get the information about what actually happens when you join Java. So you can see this video and you can share also your friends if he wants to join AVC. So make sure you like and subscribe my video, and also share to your friends those who wants to join ABC for Java and testing. And the main important thing is fee. So the fee for this ABC unified courses, these courses is 20,000. Yes, 20,000 for 100 days. These 100 days are working days, and they will all teach and explain these things. When you pay 20,000, they will give you obviously one slip of 20,000. After paying 20,000, they will provide you one application form that contains the student information and as well as academics and address this information, and you have to submit that there only. And after that you will get a link from institute, and you have to click on that link and you have to submit those details, whatever details you have been submitted or written to on that form. So these are the basic procedure you have to follow while enroll. So now you became AVCM, and the main hectic part come here. Not hectic but little bit hectic, that you will get this study material containing of 9 notes and notebook and one including one CD. So I will open this one and I will see you. So here now it comes, and one CD is there. I will show you that what does this CD contains later on the PC screen. So let me see this one. So this is a 9 booklet here, and these materials, all these 9 books and including this CD, you have to pay another 600. That's why I told you this is actually little bit hectic. Actually this is not hectic, but this is actually you have to pay extra money for this. This study material is not included in 20,000. So let me see. This is the notebook for you have to write all everything here in this one, and you will be provided this one, mathematical aptitude learning, and here comes another book, mathematical aptitude and logical learning. So it contains different it contains mathematical aptitude learning contents and logical reasoning content. So you can see here that these are the topics related to logical reasoning, and these are topics containing to mathematical aptitude contents. So you will get these things. Now here comes the Java J2EE software testing. These are the booklets you can study and then there are different questions and answer for the interview purpose. So these are same thing. This is also you can study these things. Here again same thing. Now this is related to web technology and HTML and CSS material. You have to practice these things like here. Now this is SQL material. You have to practice those SQL related commands and these things here. And here again Java testing question paper set. This is question paper set. You have to solve this and that's it. And this is the last J2EE programs. Here also you can see these are the programs written here and you have to understand. That's it. These are the materials provided by ABC and it cost around 600. And the last thing, this is copy of one CD. This it includes JDK, Eclipse, NetBeans, Apache Tomcat, Apache Ant, SQL Developer, Oracle 10G, Express Edition, MySQL database software, WAMP server, Notepad. These things you will include in this CD. I will show you what exactly it consists in our PC when I insert this CD inside our PC. So let's see. So guys, when you will open this CD from ABC for Java, so then you will get, let me open it. So here one folder, it is software from ABC, and open it. Here you will find 4 different folders: 32-bit, 64-bit, common softwares, SQL, sample data. So let me open all these folders one by one and let me see what is inside. So I am opening this 32-bit. So in this you will get a zip folder of Apache Tomcat and this version of Windows 32-bit. So like this, there are so many folders available here, and you can see here JDK is also available since it is a Java CD and it is given by ABC for the Java courses. So these applications are given in this CD. So let me open this one, 64. Same thing for 64-bit also, here it is given. And common software, in common software here jar files, MySQL database, Notepad++, these are software being used for in Java courses. So let me open, these are the software application, and there are jar files so you can install, and these NetBeans, Apache, and okay. So and in SQL also, this is a SQL file. Okay, let me come to. So these many software are given by the Java. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. I want to tell you, all of you, that this video is only for the knowledge purpose. This video is not for promotion purpose, only for knowledge purpose, education purpose. That's it. For those who want to join ABC, all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.